Mail. Hi, I'm Alfred. Let me show you how to manage your campaign replies. Your Meet Alfred account helps you manage replies from prospects across all of your outreach channels. When a lead responds to a campaign, Meet Alfred automatically detects it and pauses the sequence for that contact, so you can take over the conversation manually or choose to continue the automation. This gives you more control to build real relationships and close more deals. On the Replies page, you can export replies, view conversations on LinkedIn, directly reply to prospects, return prospects or leads back into a campaign, and leverage bulk actions. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.